I'm Phoebe Lapine of feedmephoebe.com, and I'm going to show you how to make split pea soup with ham. So I have 2 cups or 1 pound of green split peas, then about a little over a cup of chopped ham steak, about 2 medium carrots diced, 2 small onions diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of paprika, and 2 bay leaves, and half a lemon. So I'm just going to get started sauteing my onion and carrot on the stove. And then I'm going to add my ham, get it nice and brown, add my peas, my garlic, my spices, my stock, and have it all simmer away. So we're going to add the onion and the carrot to the pan. That's about 2 medium carrots peeled and chopped, and about 2 small yellow onions. Then we're just going to saute them until they get nice and soft over a medium-high flame. So now that the vegetables are nice and soft, I'm going to add the ham and get a little color on that as well. You're just going to cook this for about 2 minutes, just until the ham gets nice and soft with a little bit of color on the outside. So now I'm going to add the garlic and the peas, the paprika and salt, and the bay leaf. So now I'm just going to pour in 5 cups of water or stock, and you're just going to bring that to a boil. So now that it's come to a boil, we're just going to turn the heat down to low and let it simmer until the peas are just al dente, about 20 to 25 minutes. So our pea soup with ham is almost ready. The peas are tender, so we're just going to remove the bay leaves. There they are. And then puree half of the soup. So you can transfer the soup to a blender or just use an immersion blender, as I'm going to do now. If you're transferring the soup, you're just going to transfer about half. We like to leave it a little bit rustic. So my split pea and ham soup is finished cooking. It's smelling amazing, really smoky and delicious because of all the ham. And it's ready to serve. I'm Phoebe Lapine of feedmephoebe.com, and this has been how to make split pea with ham soup.